Hi, I'm Professor chicagoalmose, and today I would like to demonstrate, actually show you what different face covers look like, which are good for, some are better than others, for cold weather. In Chicago, recently we've had wind chills of over 30 below, and around the country even worse. It's a very bad cold spell we've had. I guess we can attribute that to global warming. This video is dedicated to Tanya, who is my online English student, and she makes wonderful knit products and crocheted products, and I was trying to talk her into making me a face mask. She does wonderful work, and I'll give you her link on the screen so you can contact her if you want to see some of her stuff or go to her blog or her YouTube vlog. Well, one of the most important things in cold weather, really cold weather, is to cover your face. I mean, I dress very warm. It's not hard to keep your body warm. I mean, most winter coats with a couple of sweaters will keep you warm, even in the worst weather. But the face is tricky. Even with a face mask, if it's very cold and the wind is blowing in your face, like across the bridge at the river in Chicago on Michigan Avenue by Wacker Drive, or in Chicago, like Michigan Avenue near the lake, it's going toward the lake. It's terrible, and you need to really protect yourself. So let me give you some examples of face masks. I sort of collect them, so I can show you the different kinds of face masks. Let me start with a standard face mask, and most of these you can get at an Army-Navy store, or you can get them online, or if you're lucky you get them in other stores. This is a regular mask, covers like knit, like over your face. Oops. Let me fix my camera here. Okay, and the thing about this, which is good, I'm having trouble with this one. The thing about this that's good, oh, I know, I'm trying to put it on looking at the camera and it's reversed and I'm moving it the wrong way. This is good. It covers your nose, and that's good. If you're wearing glasses, which I do, it leaves a little bit of opening here, which could get cold. And the mouth, you can always do that. So it's not bad. It's double thickness, and it does keep you warm. I better quit looking at the reverse here so I can get it straight. I like that mask. A better mask is this one. If you wear it with something else to cover this area here. This was attached here and it was too tight, so I cut it, and I still use it because it covers the nose really, really good. It's got like a double layer here to cover the nose. And what I would do, I think it's on inside out, but what I would do is wear this on top of something else. For example, this. Here's a double mask. Another one I cut because it was too tight. And this is pretty good. It covers like really good in here. So if you wear the two of them, the two of them together are awesome because you cover you cover around the glasses or the eyes, and and you're pretty well covered. You know, you're pretty well covered. With some adjustments, you can cover when it gets cold, and that's a really good combination. Okay? So I recommend 2 face masks to cover all your areas. Another thing you can do is wear like a joggers thing, and get these at New Balance store, or like one of these sports stores, or online, and that's pretty good, but it keeps this area here all open. I don't know how to resolve this thing where I'm looking at the camera and I get screwed up in terms of putting it on right. Okay, so this is like learning to drive on the wrong side of the street in England or something. Trying to get this right, but I should have a mirror is what I should have. Anyway, so that's pretty good. It covers your mouth, that's good, but it doesn't cover the nose. So this would you would want to wear in conjunction with something. You'd want to wear this in the very cold weather, or by yourself, and when the weather isn't that bad, it's pretty good. Here's my favorite, and I'll tell you why. This really is not the warmest, because you can see as you can see, it's a lot of openings, but for some reason it gives me a look where when I'm walking down the street, pretty women like to look at me and think of what I really look like. They just seem to be enamored by this mask. So it's a chick magnet. Okay.